Can you make $100 with AI? The answer is absolutely yes. Even if you're a total beginner with zero skills and zero understand how to pick one method, how to use AI tools to speed up your work, where to sell your services or products, and what to do if no one buys it first. Let's start with a method anyone can try. It's simple, and it doesn't need any design experience or tech skills. You can use ChatGPT and Canva together to make digital products that people want to download. These can be planners, checklists, schedules, trackers, or any type of useful printable. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you ideas. You can type something like, "Give me 10 digital product ideas for people who want to be more organized." You'll get a list of things like daily planners, fitness trackers, monthly budget sheets, and school homework schedules. These are simple ideas, but people really do buy them, especially if the design looks clean and the layout is useful. Once you have an idea, go to Canva. This is a free design tool, and it works right in your browser. Search for planner templates or tracker templates. You'll see hundreds of ready-made layouts. Choose one and change the text and design to fit the product you're creating. If you're making a fitness tracker, for example, add boxes for workout names, check marks, days of the week, and maybe a space for progress notes. You don't have to design anything from scratch. You're just making small changes to templates that are already there. When it's finished, download the file as a PDF. Now it's time to sell it. You can upload your digital product to a website like Gumroad. Gumroad is free to join, and it lets you sell files directly to customers. When someone buys your product, Gumroad handles the delivery. You just get paid. Set your price low at first, maybe around $5 or $10. Add a simple description like 7-day meal planner for busy parents or printable weekly calendar for students. If you're not sure how to write the description, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to help you write a short sales description for your digital download. Now, you need people to see your product. Start by posting about it on Pinterest. This platform is perfect for visual products like planners and templates. You can take a screenshot of your planner in Canva and turn it into a pin that links to your Gumroad product. You can also join Facebook groups where people talk about productivity, school planning, or home organization. Post your product there in a helpful way, not spammy. Say something like, "I made a weekly planner that helped me stay focused this month. Here's the link if anyone wants to try it." This isn't about trying to go viral. This is about making your first few sales. If 10 people buy your $10 planner, that's your first $100. Let's look at another method that's also free to start and doesn't require you to show your face or even record your own voice. Right now, voiceover services are in high demand. You can use free AI tools like ElevenLabs or Murf to create voiceovers that sound clear and professional. All you have to do is paste in a script and choose a voice. If you want to get started, first create a few samples. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a short 30-second ad script for a fitness product or a food delivery app. Then paste that into ElevenLabs or Murf and generate the voiceover. Download the audio and save it. Make 2 or 3 samples with different voices so people can see your range. Next, go to Fiverr and create a free account. Fiverr lets you offer simple services to buyers around the world. Create a gig that says something like, "I will create a voiceover using AI for your ad or video." Upload your sample files so buyers can hear what you can deliver. Set your price low at first, maybe $10 for a 60-second voiceover. Offer fast delivery. That's what a lot of buyers care about most. If you want to get clients faster, go to Reddit or X. On Reddit, search for small business forums, YouTube communities, or podcast groups. These are full of people who need help with content creation. You can say, "I offer low-cost voiceovers using AI, and I deliver fast. Let me know if you need help with your next video or ad." On Twitter, look for people who say they're building a business or making content. You can reply to them or message them if their inbox is open. Be short and clear. Say something along the lines of, "I do voiceovers with AI and can send you a free sample if you're looking for help." You don't need many clients to make your first $100. If someone pays you $20 for a short voiceover, you only need 5 orders. You're not trying to build a career right away. You're just testing what works and making that first bit of income. Now, let's talk about another way to make money online from zero. You can offer short writing services using ChatGPT as your assistant. There are thousands of business owners who need help writing emails, product descriptions, or website introductions. Many of them don't want to hire full-time writers. They just need one short piece of writing delivered fast. Here's how you can start. Use ChatGPT to create samples. Ask it to write a friendly welcome email for a new fitness brand, or ask it to write a short product description for a handmade soap store. Take these samples and save them in a Google Drive folder. Now, go to freelance websites like Upwork and create a profile. You can say you write short marketing emails and product descriptions using AI. You can also go to Reddit and look for posts where people are asking for writing help. You'll see questions like, "Can someone help me write a welcome email for my brand?" Or, "I need help with a blog post introduction." Reply to those posts and offer your help. At first, you might need to work for free just to build trust. Offer to do one email for free. If they like your work, they might hire you again. Over time, you'll build a small client list. You can charge $25 for each short email. Do 4 and you've made $100. The best thing about using ChatGPT for this is that it saves you time. You don't have to come up with every word yourself. You just tell the AI what you need and then edit the result. If the client wants a different tone or more information, you can go back to ChatGPT and ask for a rewrite. This lets you work faster and take on more clients. If you don't know which of these methods to start with, here's a simple way to choose. If you like working with visual layouts and simple design, try the Canva and Planner method. If you prefer working with audio and want something quick, try the Voiceover method. If writing comes easier to you or you want to help business owners, try the email writing method. None of them requires money to start. All of them let you use AI to speed things up. Some people get stuck at this point. They try something for a few hours and then stop. That's the biggest mistake. You don't get results on day 1. You might not get results on day 2, but if you stay consistent and keep improving, you will see progress. Every method here is being used by real people right now to make money. These aren't guesses. These are working examples. If you want to make this even easier, treat it like a challenge. Give yourself 1 week. Pick one method and commit to trying it fully for 7 days. Make the product. Create the gig, post in the forums. Use ChatGPT every day to help you with writing, titles, descriptions, or replies. Don't try to master everything at once. Just take the next step. It's important to know that you don't need a large following. You don't need to go viral. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up and try. If your first planner doesn't sell, try a different one. If your first Fiverr gig doesn't get clicks, change the title. If no one replies on Reddit, post in a different thread. These small adjustments are what help you improve. Over time, you'll start to notice patterns. You'll see which types of planners sell better. You'll see which titles get more attention. You'll learn which voiceovers clients like more. And you'll be faster because the AI is doing half the work. That's the real advantage. You're not guessing. You're using tools to work smarter and faster. When you earn your first $100, something changes. You go from wondering if this is possible to knowing that it is. That shift makes a big difference. You'll want to do it again. You'll want to test new ideas. You'll feel more confident. That's the power of action. Not theory, not planning, but real action. You already have everything you need. The tools are free. The clients are out there. The platforms are open. You just need to start. Pick a method. Use the tools. Deliver good work. Make your first sale. Repeat. This is how people go from 0 to something. Not with luck, not with secrets, just with real steps and real tools. If you're still watching, that means you're ready to try. Go do the work. You don't need permission. You just need to start. Which of these methods are you leaning towards and why? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.